Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to create heartbeat effects in Premiere Pro. This heartbeat effect is perfect for any trailer, horror movie, or any kind of film. For creating this heartbeat effect, I will use a Premiere Pro built-in effect. So let's get started. Alright, now we are inside Premiere Pro. As you can see on the timeline, I have already got a photo. By the way, you can use any photo, video, or text. Also, here you can see, I have already got a heartbeat sound effect. First of all, we have to create an adjustment layer. Let's right-click on the project panel. Then, go to the new item panel. Next, we have to click on the adjustment layer. Then, click on OK. In the next step, we have to drag and drop this adjustment layer to the timeline in Video Layer 2. Next, let's move over to the Effects panel to add a video effect. This is a transform effect. Let's drag and drop this transform effect to the adjustment layer. Next, let's move over to the Effect Controls panel to customize the transform effect. Firstly, from the transform effect, we have to create a mask. Let's click on this ellipse mask to create a circle mask. Now you can see on the program monitor, a circle mask has been created. To create the mask perfectly, we will open the ruler panel and use the ruler to create the perfect size. Let's move over to the View panel. Then, click on this Show Ruler panel. Now, you can see the ruler panel is open. Now, pull the ruler and we will take the perfect size. You can follow my program monitor to take your size. As you can see, I took a size perfectly. In the next step, the point on the left side of the mask should be pulled up to this position. Next, the point on the right side of the mask should be pulled up to this position. After that, the point on the up side of the mask should be pulled up to this position. And lastly, the point on the down side of the mask should be pulled up to this position. Now, you can see, our mask is perfect. Now we don't need the rulers. So, let's remove the rulers. Again, move over to the View panel and click on this Show Ruler option to disable the Rulers panel. As you can see, this is our mask. In the next step, let's make the mask feather value around 800. And then, click on this box to enable the inverted parameter. Next, we have to click on this box to disable the composition shutter angle parameter. Now, we have to make the shutter angle value around 360. In the next step, we have to add some keyframes to create the heartbeat effect. Let's move the time indicator to the beginning of the adjustment layer. Now, move the time indicator 1 frame forward. Now, click on this stopwatch icon of the scale to create the first keyframe. Then, move the time indicator 3 frames forward. Here we have to make the scale value around 110. After that, move the time indicator 3 frames forward. Here we have to make the scale value around 100. Again, we have to move the time indicator 3 frames forward. Now, click on this icon to create a keyframe. Next, move the time indicator 2 frames forward. And here, we have to make the scale value around 118. In the last step, let's move the time indicator 3 frames forward. And here, we have to make the scale value around 100. We have added 6 keyframes. Let's see the preview. It looks great. Our heartbeat effect has been created. Let's copy all the keyframes. And then, a few seconds forward, we have to paste them. Again, a few seconds forward, we have to paste them. You can add the heartbeat effect as many times as you want. Just copy and paste them onto your adjustment layer. Let's see the preview. As you can see, it looks perfect. Our heartbeat effect is ready. After finishing the heartbeat effect, you can move the adjustment layer anywhere in your footage. This is the easy way to create a heartbeat effect in Premiere Pro. Now, I am going to add heartbeat sound effects. I have already got a sound effect. Just drag and drop the sound effects to the timeline. And then, match the sound effect with your heartbeat effect. By the way, I have got the sound effect from the Motion Array. Also, this video is sponsored by Motion Array. Motion Array is the all-in-one platform for motion graphics and video templates. With Motion Array, you can create stunning videos without any experience. Motion Array has everything you need to create professional-looking videos, including thousands of high-quality video templates, motion graphics for all occasions, stock footage and music, easy-to-use editing tools. Motion Array is perfect for businesses, marketers, and anyone else who wants to create engaging videos without the hassle. With Motion Array, you can create videos that will wow your audience and help you achieve your goals. Visit Motion Array today and start creating amazing videos. Let's go back to the tutorial. Alright, now you can see on the timeline, I have already added the heartbeat sound effects. Let's preview. It looks great. In this way, you can create heartbeat effects in Premiere Pro. This is the easy way. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.